brother must be back.
Gabriel, leave me alone.
What is it now?
Leave me alone now. Don't touch me, Gabriel. Gabriel, leave me alone. Gabriel, leave me alone. Gabriel, leave me alone. I don't want to do. I don't want to do. Be my fault. Gabriel, leave me alone. Baby, they could hear you. They could hear you.
What is going on here?
Sir, nothing is going on.
You said nothing is going on.
Baby, it's a lie. Your brother is forcing himself on me.
How?
How dare you say nothing is going on?
Sir, I did not know.
And I saw everything. How dare you say to me that brother is going on?
I did nothing to her. I didn't know
Gabriel.
why she's crying. Why are you crying now? Sir? Welcome, sir.
What do you do to my wife?
I did nothing to her. She knows I'm innocent. I did nothing. Did I do anything to you? I didn't touch her.
Why are you lying? Baby, he wasn't arresting
Me?
Abuse.
Gabriel,
Sir? I did nothing to her. I know what I'm saying.
Baby, thank God you're back.
why is she crying?
Sir, I don't know. I was just sitting here watching television when you came in and she unleashed her.
What?
Sir, I didn't touch her now.
Baby, deal with him.
Gabriel,
Brother,
I left my wife for you. Look at how you are treating my wife.
no. That's your husband. I
what
did
do
not.
you want?
You
You want that same place that your brother.
No, Mama.
How dare you?
I'm
I'm
innocent.
asking you.
I did nothing to her.
You
I'm innocent.
did what?
I said I'm innocent. I did
Thank
nothing.
God you are back. Thank God you are back.
Listen, I cannot tolerate this anymore. I cannot tolerate this thing anymore.
Listen to me. I am innocent of
See,
this accusation.
before I close my eyes, I don't mind that you are my brother. That you are the only brother that I have. Don't mind.
Brother.
Just went there, pack your bag.
Yes.
You are leaving my house.
Brother, I am innocent.
I said you are leaving my house
Yes.
this minute.
You are leaving our
You are
house.
so nice.
You are stupid. Baby, this boy is an animal. In fact, this boy is a
Could you
dog.
imagine?
Brother, I can.
Shut up, let me talk. He will force himself on me morning, afternoon, and night. Even
What?
when I told him that I'm not tired, I'm not fit, he will still do it, baby.
Gabriel,
Sir, I swear with my life, I did nothing. No, I've not done such a thing
you
before.
are eating my wife.
Brother, I'm telling you the gospel truth.
You are eating my wife.
Sir.
You are eating my wife. You are eating my wife. Eh?
No,
You are come here.
No, brother.
You are eating my
No.
wife. Eh?
No.
You are eating my wife, Gabriel.
Brother, I'm innocent. Yeah,
Go in there. Go in there and pack your things. Go in there and pack your things before I do something stupid.
Be going. Look at him.
Baby, are you okay?
Therefore, baby, I'm not okay.
I'm
I'm
so
not
sorry.
okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Be fast, pack your things there and get out.
I'll be calling you all this twice. Your phone is not reachable to tell you what is going on in our home. And he told me, even threatened me that if I open my mouth and tell you what is happening, that he will take my life.
Gabriel! See, I'm going to take that boy life. He's not going anywhere. Let him come out of here. Relax. I'm here now. Relax, I'm here.
Thank God you are here. Thank God you are
Oh my
here.
God. Baby, I've been suffering.
I've been suffering.
I've been suffering.
Look at him, wicked soul.
You.
brother.
You.
I'm telling you, I said it.
You.
I did nothing. I did
After
not your wife.
everything, so it's a crime to left my wife with you.
Baby, it's a crime. Oh.
Cannot take care of my wife. Your own brother's wife.
Brother, before I leave your house,
I'm so disappointed.
I would want you to watch this.
What you want? What you want? What do you want to show me?
Yes.
What do you want to show me? I don't want to watch
This
anything.
display.
I will use this phone and dash it to the wall.
Yes, baby.
Just
I know what you can
Sir,
do.
Just look at. Look what?
look. See, look, just look at this.
Wow. Yeah. You're here enjoying yourself. No, don't worry. Sit close. Just here, just shift. How many times have I told you should stop calling me?
You're my brother's wife now. How else would I repress you?
You are here enjoying yourself. Let me pause more for you, okay?
I'm okay.
I'm not woman. You can call me Esther, okay? You're here enjoying yourself. You cannot even call me. You can take this. Girl. Why are you doing like this? Are you a kid?
As you can see, I'm watching the television.
Just keep this phone. Drop this thing. What are you doing? Take.
No. See, why are you doing like this, eh? You know you are my elder brother's wife and you are acting this way.
And
It's unfair.
so, am I complaining?
Please, I cannot do this with you, eh? Understand me? Please.
Okay, I think.
Oh, stop now. Stop.
Okay,
I'm going to walk out from this place. So allow me to.
Where do you want to go?
I'm going into my room.
Okay,
now.
I'm very sorry. Just sit down, okay? Yeah. Stop shifting. Why are you avoiding me?
See, this is morally wrong and culturally bad. In our culture, I cannot do this with my brother's wife. No, now stop, please.
Don't tell me you don't want me. Don't say that.
See, stop. And don't come closer, please. You are my brother's wife, for crying out loud. What will people say of me if they find out what is about to happen? Eh? No, I cannot do this, please.
See, girl, I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to do that. You're a good brother, an innocent brother, sent. I know, but I know that you want this thing and I want to give it to you.
No, ma, please. Please stop this. I don't like it. Stop it.
Okay.
What if my brother batching in this settings now?
He will
What
not
will
bargain.
he think of
See,
me?
my baby will be coming back next week. He's not coming back anytime soon. Let's enjoy ourselves.
Stop!
Okay?
Whoa! I don't need it. How many times will I tell you to stop and you will listen?
Yeah, you're shouting at me.
I'm not shouting at you, but at least you should understand me that this is not proper.
Because I want to treat you nice and fair, and you are doing this.
See, Esther, you are my brother's wife, and I respect you for that. You understand? But for me to go behind my brother to betray him is what I would never try in my life.
Who says so? How will your brother know if you did not tell him? Okay, let's just go.
No, don't touch me, please. This is an eyesore. You cannot be doing this thing under his roof. Please. If you don't want me to be in this sitting room, I'll just leave you and go back to my room.
Enough! Look at how you are shouting and talking as if you're a pastor or a reverend father. But I promise you one thing, you're going to regret your actions. Rubbish.
My brother has made a very big mistake. A very big mistake. God forbid. This is what your wife has been doing when you are not around. Give me my phone. Even you, my brother, you accused me.
Nothing. Your brother set me up.
I decided to record this.
You set me up. This guy drunked me. Yes, because I can't remember when I did this. I can't remember, obviously.
Did what?
He drunked me.
He dropped.
Yes. I know this is your plan. This is your plan. But your plan will never ever work. See, baby, you know I cannot do such thing. I didn't do it with my clear eyes. Okay? You know I love you so much.
Enjoy your house.
Don't mind him, oh. Don't mind him. You know I cannot.
Gabriel. Wait there.
You know I cannot feel what I feel for you for another man. You know I love you so much.
What?
Me? I'm your beloved wife.
You are not my beloved.
So what am I?
You are a Jezebel.
Me, baby?
You are a Jezebel.
Jesus.
You are a Jezebel. So, what is your motive? What is your gain? I'm asking you. I'm asking you. What is your motive?
Baby,
What is your
nothing.
aim?
Nothing. Just that.
So, you have been the one disturbing this young woman. I came back now. You are rushing me as if he has buy you, he has do you everything. So now, you want to be happy that I'm sending my brother back home. Right?
No, baby. No.
So, you want me to send my own brother back home?
No.
Tell me your reason.
Baby.
So, I married a harlot. Instead of your wife.
You left me for 6 good months. How do you want me to cope? I don't want to go outside, so I decided to do it with your blood.
Really? Really?
Yes.
And you are here shouting, lamenting that my brother has finished you, that my brother this, my brother that I left you for 6 months. Didn't you know the type of work that I'm doing before you got married to me?
Babe, I don't know.
Didn't you know the type of work?
It was going to be like this.
You don't know it's going to be like this.
Yes.
So you don't have your self-control.
Jesus.
You don't have your self-control.
Baby, please now.
And therefore,
Me.
for trying to set my brother up, for trying to make me, to bring problem between me and my brother. For this act you just did, I hate you. I regret ever knowing you. I regret everything that we've ever shared.
Baby, I did this for us.
You are very stupid. That the thunder struck down your mouth, you did it for us.
I don't want.
You did it for us.
Yes, I wanted.
You are
your
selfish.
blood. Jesus.
You are selfish. You are not worthy to call any man's wife. You are not worthy to be my wife.
Baby, you're shouting at me, or it's
You are
me.
mad.
Jesus.
You are Jezebel. See, before I close my eyes and open it, I want you to go back in there. Pack your things. Pack your things. Get out of my house. You are too small to bring problem between me and my brother. Hey!
Are you divorcing me already?
Go back to your father's house.
Baby,
I said you go.
I did this for
Pack.
Rosa. Baby, please.
Brother, so you have been passing all this thing, passing through all this thing, and you keep quiet. You don't want to tell me. Since when did this thing started?
You choose to listen to your wife. You choose to take her words. You choose to belittle me. You choose to humiliate me because you saw ordinary shoe she pulled off.
I'm very, very sorry.
Can you imagine how many times you slapped me here? I was trying to tell you that I'm upset. I can never do such a thing to you.
I'm very sorry. I'm very
But
sorry.
it's fine. I'm going back to the village.
No, you don't have to get anywhere.
I cannot
No,
take
you
this.
don't have to get anywhere. You will stay. She will leave. Yes, she will leave. You don't need to go anywhere. Okay? I'm very, very sorry. There is no man under my shoe that will never do such a thing that I did. Please, find a place in the house.
Baby,
Hey!
baby,
Oh, yeah.
see, I'm
Hey,
very
hey, hey,
sorry. Please make your brother. I'm very, very sorry, please.
Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I wanted to do it for our family.
Hey!
Sweetheart, you know I love you so
I don't
much.
mind this is the middle of the night. Get out of here.
Baby,
Get out! Open that door.
baby,
Open the door.
baby.
Now get out of here. Close the door. Rubbish. Could you imagine? A small being changer like her doesn't have a self-control. Brother,